everyone. It's September 29th. Some of this is going to be a repeat. Sorry about that, but there's a lot of new stuff on here too. My hellebores arrived. They look so good. So I got them all out of the box. And there was one that was empty. One of the containers. Where was it? There. I'm excited to get these planted. Nice looking plants. I wanted to show you what I looked up on how to plant these. The crown, like a strawberry plant, you don't want to cover this. So you keep this right here above the soil. Today is September 19th, and yesterday evening my plants have started to arrive. This is a perennial snapdragon. It is called a Spanish Snapdragon. I'm super excited to add this to the garden. And from what I read, it's very easy to propagate by the seeds. And look at that. Where's it go? There it is. There's a bud right there. And there she is. So hope for the best. Oh, I'll put more information in description. Today is September 22nd. These arrived yesterday evening, and I'm going to gradually get them adjusted to the sun and then plant them. But I have one that is a ground cover and one for cut flowers. Today's September 23rd, and I got more seeds in Friday. Yeah, it was Friday. But I wanted to show you how cute this package was. I never ordered from them before. Oops, can I do it with one hand? There we go. Most of these I'll be starting today, and a few I'll save for the spring. All the seedlings covered both retaining walls. Then we had a hurricane come in, so I put them under the porch. And a few pictures from after the hurricane. We were very lucky and got minimal damage. Okay, I got this spot cleaned up now. And my husband's over there ripping out that old bamboo because it's just laying down now. Looks like he's got a lot of it out already. And here is my after. I just cut it out and pulled everything up. And I was planning on using a shovel to get this out because I do want to get rid of it. I don't like it. And I think I want to put raspberries in here instead. But while Bob has the borrowed tractor, if we have enough time, I'm going to have him come over here and dig them up instead. That's a nice size hole from where the bamboo used to be. The bad news is now we can see into the neighbors, and of course that means they can see us better. But that mess is gone. Hopefully. He already knocked down one dead tree, and now he's trying to knock down another. It looks like I missed it. He's got it down. I almost stepped on the thing. You need to get going. I'm trying to plant a flower. It just hung out over there while I got my flower in. And it does have some new babies down there. And now this is what it looks like with the bamboo gone. A lot of them have new growth, so I'm very happy about that. They're doing well. And here's the update on the Spanish Snapdragon. It's doing good. Now let's take a look at all those seedlings. I'll put pictures of what I've got going here. There's a few in that one. Lots and lots going on here. This is the north retaining wall. And this is the south retaining wall. Some of these I'll be planting real soon. Hopefully this is nice and clear. A lot of looping.